Hello guys, if your PC lagging or freezing, in this video I'm gonna give you 5 steps you have to do it to make your PC run faster and no glitch, no freezing, no other stuff. It's 5 easy steps coming on first video, part 1. It's gonna be another 5 steps on next video. So let's start with first video. So first step, it's gonna be clean the junk from your PC. To do that, we need to do 3 steps. First one is gonna be type here to search and click run. On run, write prefetch just like this and click OK, continue, and then all this stuff, there are junk, your PC no needed, just make your PC run slower. So click any one of them and Ctrl A and Shift delete. Yes, skip for all. It's only this app your PC using right now. After, click X and move to next step. It's gonna be on run again and type temp, click OK, again all of them and delete. Keep this up because your PC is using it right now. So click X again. Third step, it's gonna be run again, or run, type percentage temp, again percentage, and OK, and select all this and shift delete. Yes, skip for all. That's it. X, keep all this. Yes, and click X. So fourth step is gonna be delete unwanted apps. To do that, click on apps, settings, apps, and go to apps. It's right here, and just uninstall any unwanted apps because all these apps use your performance and increase it. So just click on anyone and click on install and install. And last step for us today in this video, it's gonna be go to type here to search and type power and sleep setting. Go to additional power setting and choose high performance. After you choose high performance, X and X, and now should be your PC run a little bit faster. I already gave you 5 steps on first video. Part 1 is gonna come soon. It's gonna be next video for me. So if you like the video and enjoy it and hopefully it's helped you, please hit like button and subscribe the channel. See you on next video.